in question number 2, sub question 1, we got two simultaneous equations. This we have to solve. First one is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Equation number 1. A plus 5b is equal to 22. This is second one. Now, if you observe, here we will see 5b and 5b. For the variable b, both the coefficients are same and having same sign, positive, positive. So, here we have to subtract the equation, either first from second or second from first. So, here we are subtracting. Equation 2 from 1. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Second one, a plus 5b is equal to 22. Now, in subtracting, what we do, we change the sign of the equation written downside. So, this positive a becomes negative. This positive 5b becomes negative. Positive 22 will become negative. And then we have to solve the sum. 3a minus a. Now you have to consider this negative sign and not double one positive. 3a minus a is 2a. And here we got both the different sign. Plus 5 minus 5. Here we will consider, remember, we will consider negative sign, the new sign written below. So, plus 5b minus 5b will be cancelled. We get 0. So, not to write anything over here. Here is equal sign. After equal, 26 minus 22 will be 4. Now, here a is equal to this 4, this 2 will be shifted in denominator as we are changing to from left side to right side. Here 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 upon 1 means. So here we got value of a as 2. Now this value will be substituted in any of the equation. You can take equation 1, either 1 or 2, any one you like. So here substituting x is equal to, here alphabets are A and B. Substituting a is equal to 2 in equation 2. Second equation is a plus 5b is equal to 20. This is equation number 2. You can take equation 1 also if you want. Now, in place of a, what will write value of a? 2. Then remaining things will be same. 5b, 22 will be same. Then 5b is equal to 22. This positive 2 will shift on right hand side, it will become negative. So minus 2. 5b, 22 minus 2 will be 20. Then 5b is equal to 20. Now this 5 will shift on right hand side, should be divided, should be written in denominator. Now 5 on the 5, 5, 4 the 20. So b is equal to 4. So the solution state is x comma y is equal to, a comma b here, right? A comma b, not x and y. A comma b, because alphabets are a and b. 2 comma 4. That's all. This is the final answer, 2 comma. Now we see second, in question number second, third sub question. It reads 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 as first equation, and 2x plus y is equal to 13 is second one. If you observe here, coefficient of x is 2, here also 2. So it is better to cancel this 2x, 2x. But directly we cannot cancel as the both of these have same sign, positive 2x, positive. So one should be negative to cancel this. So for cancellation, what we need? Subtraction sign here, that is negative sign. So we will do subtraction of these two equations. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. So we write 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 13. And remember, in subtracting, we change the sign. So here, the sign should be changed. Change the sign. Here also change. So 2x minus 2x will be cancelled, and you get 0. So no need to write anything over here. Now minus 3y minus y. This is 1y. This should be treated as 1y. 3y and 1y will be 4y. Why I have added both the terms? Because both are having same sign, minus minus plus. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4y, and sign of greater number should be written here. So I am putting sign of 3y, that is negative sign, is equal to, here 9 minus 30 is 4, and sign of greater, the new sign of greater number, that is 13, is negative sign, minus sign. So I am putting here negative. Then 4y is equal to 4. Here both minus minus plus. So what we get? 4y is equal to 4. Then y is equal to 4 upon 4. This 4 is shifted on right hand side, and we get 4 upon 4. 4 divided by 4 will be 1. As 4 1 the 4, 4 1 the 4. We get y is equal to 1. And there is no need to write 1 when it is given in denominator. So we are writing 1 here, y is equal to 1. Now, as we had done in previous equation, substituting y is equal to 1 in equation 1. You can take equation 1 or 2, anyone. Now, I am taking here equation number 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Therefore, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. See, in place of y, what I wrote? A bracket. Now, in this bracket, I am going to write value of y. Y is 1. So, this 1 I will write here. Then, 2x minus 3 1 the 3. These two should be multiplied. 3 1 the 3 is equal to 9. Will be same. Here also 2x will be same. Then 2x is equal to 9 plus 3. As minus 3 is shifted on right side of equal, it will be positive. 2x is equal to 9 plus 3, 12. X is 12 upon 2. This 2 is shifted down. Now 12 divided by 2 is 6. So x is equal to 6. Therefore, solution set is x comma y is equal to 6 comma 4. Remember, x, value of x should be written first. Even though this answer we got afterwards, the 6 should be written first and value of y afterwards. 6 comma 1 is the solution. Now we will see question number 6 in second question of 1.1. Here one number is given in denominator. Here denominator is 3. Here denominator is 4. Now to cancel these denominators, what we will do? We will multiply each of the term of equation by this denominator itself, that is 3. So first term is 1/3x multiplied by 3, that is denominator, plus second term is y multiplied by 3 is equal to 10/3 multiplied by 3. So each of the term should be multiplied by 3, so that this 3 will get cancelled. 3 cancel. Here 3 will get cancelled, and we will get 1 into x, 1x, or you can say x plus the x. Simply you can write x. Then 3 into y will be 3y, and here 10. This is third equation. Similarly, here in denominator we got 4. So each of the term of second equation should be multiplied by 4. So 4 into 2x plus 4 into 1/4y is equal to 4 into 11/4. 4 to the 8x. Here 4 cancel, and we get y on the y. Here also 4 will get cancelled, and we get 11. This is equation number 4. So here we got new equations, equation 3 and 4. Now as usual, as we have done in previous question, we will solve this equation 3 and 4. Now here none of the terms are having same coefficient. यहाँ पर x है, x के साथ 8 नहीं है, but here we got 8. Here y के साथ क्या है 3, but here 3 is not there. So first of all, the coefficient should be equal for at least one of the term of the equation. So to make this 3y, what we will do? Multiplying equation 4 by 3. So from here we will write multiplying equation 4 by 3. So what will get? 3 into 8, 20. Then 3 into y will be 3y. Then 3 into 11, 33. And new equation is fifth equation. Now in equation 3 and 5 we get 3y. These two terms can be cancelled or eliminated. Now to eliminate this, what do we do? Subtracting equation 3 from 5. Subtracting equation 3 from 5. So 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. And downside we write x plus 3y is equal to 10. Here we are subtracting equation 3 from 5. So we have to change the sign of this downside equation, that is third equation, minus, and here also minus. 24x minus 1x will be 23x. 3y minus 3y will be cancelled, 0. Then 33 minus 10, 23. Now this 23 will shift there as usual. So x is equal to 23 upon 23. Therefore, x is equal to 1. That is 23 divided by 23. Or you can say 23 1 that 23, 23 1 that 23. So here we get value of x as 1. Then substituting x is equal to 1 in equation, you can take any of the equation. Here we got 5 equations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are taking this one, as this one is simpler one, x plus Ty is equal to 10. Now in place of x, what do we put? 1. 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. 3y is equal to 10. Now this 1 will be shifted on right hand side, minus 1. It will become minus 1. So 3y is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. And therefore y is equal to 9 upon 3. This 3 is shifted downside there. Now y is equal to 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. Y is 3. So here we got the solution set. Solution set is x comma y is equal to, the value of x is 1, comma y is 3. Answer is 1, comma 3. Now you can note down this.